Hey guys, welcome to this course. This course is about visualizing Oracle database using ELK stack. So we are going to push existing relational data to Elasticsearch and analyze them using Kibana. And for log ingestion, we will be using Logstash. So this is a completely practical oriented course. We are going to create a database from scratch. So I will create that on AWS RDS. Then I'm going to create the HR schema tables like employees, departments, job and countries like that. So we are going to write SQL queries as well. Then we will see how we can visualize the data from that query on Kibana. So and we will do the log ingestion using Logstash JDBC plugin. Once we will create a visualization, we are going to create a dashboard. Then we will see how we can basically export that or share that dashboard and embed into a web page. So we are going to create a simple bootstrap page, and there we will embed our dashboard and we will upload that page on S3 bucket, and so that we will host our static content there, and we can access our dashboard from a web application page. So we will do everything from scratch, like we will create the database, we will create an environment for ELK, and then we will do the required changes in the YAML file for Elasticsearch, Kibana, and Logstash if needed. So before taking this course, I'm expecting that you have prior experience in writing SQL queries, and if you are familiar with ELK stack, that's really nice, but that is not needed because we'll be doing everything from scratch. And my primary focus will be to basically visualize a relational database. So we are only exploring those components which will come into the picture while we will move our data from RDBMS to Kibana. So if you like the idea and the project we are going to create, then you can enroll into this course, and in the next lecture we will discuss what's the ELK stack, and we will directly jump into the practical. I'll see you guys in the next lecture. Thank you so much.